It's the Paxton Law Firm.
Hi, my name is Robert Hernandez, and I was involved in an accident with me and my girlfriend, and we had previously hired a lawyer, which didn't care for our case at all. They didn't send us any treatment. They weren't giving us updates, and they just weren't really answering our questions that we had. But luckily, we had found the Paxton Law Firm, and they made the whole process very simple, very easy. They gave me compensation, and they got me money for my car, which I don't think the other lawyer were going to do, just because they didn't really care for me, even for the medical treatments. But luckily, they gave me everything I needed, and